Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add language to Google Chrome. This is very simple but useful. Now let's start. First open Google Chrome on your device. Then tap on three dot menu that is located on the upper corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on languages. See here you can find an option with plus icon that is called add language. Tap on it. Now select a language which you want to add to your Chrome. For example, I select English Australia. You can add many languages as you want. See here, I add some language in my Chrome. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.